Hello friends, welcome back in our series to create a new programming language from scratch. In the previous videos, we have learned the fundamental concepts behind creating a new programming language, how it works, what are alternate technologies, and what we are using. So, in this part, we would jump start uh, straight away coding to our new programming language. So, let's start. First set, the steps what you we can include the member functions with @member annotation. Here we are using two functions, the hash map and main function. Main functions is the first function to get executed in a Java program or C or any other language. We are using hash map in place of stack. Previously we were using stack in calculator. Here we are using hash map. So this is the syntax of a program. The program would be like with it would start with the begin statement, have some other statements in between. The plus symbol means there would can be a single statement or more than single statement, and end with terminate with end symbol. In the statements between begin and end, we can have multiple things. We can have, let's type begin, then let a equals to 5.2, let b equals to 10. Sum print a